name's Dion from Fabtech, and this is my Evo. My Evo 5 was actually a friend's car that I acquired for him. He was overseas working and he just told me, I want EFR, this, that. I'm like, all right, no worries. So I built this car for him. When he picked it up, if you ever go to sell that car, I want it. 2 weeks later, he rang me up and said, dude, I can't own this car. It's too ridiculous. We just went crazy on it even again. It's a 4-inch intake into a 9174 EFR, my own custom design manifold with hypertune components, precision racing 2.2 motor with a CNC head. We've got a hypertune inlet, dual rail, drive-by-wire, 3.5-inch intercooler piping with a hypertune intercooler and billet tanks, all Wiggins clamps, because there's nothing worse than a silicon joiner blowing off. Then we've got a 4-inch dump pipe with a 3.5-inch exhaust, and we're running a Norris Design dry sump kit, M-Tron ECU, Motec dash, nearly everything Motec. There's about 50 sensors on this thing, tuned by Insight. Oh, it's got a Samsung sequential. So on 30 pound, it makes 500 kilowatt. On 36, it makes 560. The end goal wasn't a thing for me. It's how it drives. On the street, you can cruise it, you can just be nice and gentle, and the car's nice and gentle to you. If you want to thrash it, it's there, it's ready, it's going. It's really reliable. I drive it nearly every day. Last night, it was raining, drove it home. It's actually really good. I built the Evo for a circuit car / street car, never a drag car. It's not until we got accepted to drag battle that I was kind of interested in drag racing. I've never been a drag racer. Holding the car back, definitely rear diff and shafts. We tried some bigger tyres, couldn't get off the line. Needed maybe some launch control tweaks. Didn't get there. We ran a 10.4. I really want to get into the 9s. I want a 9-second, daily driven street car. That's the goal. I think more driving experience and better tyres. And a special R200 diff.